Going in. Hey, I focus. This niggas is the wokeness. This niggas talking shit. This niggas better quote this. Matter of fact, just vote this like it's a politician. And I don't give a fuck, little niggas. You forgot to mention that I got this money in this stack so long. And these niggas keep talking, that's what I'll make it dawn. 2 Glocks to their head, now they back got the Glock. And I don't give a fuck, nigga thugging out like I'm Parker. Give me the rocks in the pot, and I just rockin' the lock. You niggas talking this shit, you niggas joking Rick Fox. What the fuck did you mean? You bitch niggas can't box. I pull up on a nigga red dot chicken pox. What the fuck, nigga? I'm just gonna have to go in. Niggas keep talking white girl, Lizzie Lohan. What the fuck I'm flowing? About to start to blow up. These niggas keep on talking, watch they whole crew blow up. What the fuck, niggas wanna talk about me? You bitch niggas can't look and you bitch niggas will see. I just go and go, nigga, deep like the sea. When I get in that shit, man, the bitch wishes me. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I don't give dick for free. I pull up on a nigga, then I send shots for free. Nigga, you ain't gotta pay. Nigga, you ain't gotta pay for no price on this nigga. I ain't even had to pay my niggas.
We ain't paying shit, nigga. I shoot for free though. These niggas is weak. I eat them up like some Fritos. Nigga, lay them down. Nigga, lay them up. I shoot a couple bullets so that they can lay up. What the fuck do you mean? You want the problem with the team, bro? We'll come around just to show you niggas y'all mean, ho. Nigga come around with rockets blasting off, huh? And I ain't even gotta take the mask off, cause you know who did it. I come around with them digits, I'm clocking numbers for slumber parties and bitches they kidding. They coming around getting smitten, I put the dick in the pussy. Bitches look at me and be like, is he crippin' no touchy? I be blood gassing whooping, these niggas mad cause I'm swooping. I come around, your bitch with you and I just swooped in. And they be like, damn how he swooping, swoosh. Nike, just do it. Smoking on that kush. Niggas take double looks when they see us in fashion. These bitches be mad cause I ain't trying to be matching no blunts with all these hoes. Dusty ass hoes. Bitches acting like they with the shit wearing their best friend clothes. What the fuck do you mean? Bitch, you see my team. If you don't like Damo, then you gotta fuck with Veen. And if you don't fuck with Veen, then you must be trying to fiend. Cause you gon' take double, you fuck with him, he's a motherfucking god though. These niggas don't get high fives. We just sit back from the east all the way to the fight. And my niggas right, bro. Nigga, I be on solo with extendo clip, bouncing at your bitch ass like a cholo. Nigga, what you mean? Double be coming, getting out of green. And he'll do the shit just for his team. Infrared beam with the extended clip hanging out. Bitch ass niggas mad, I'll show up where you hanging out. Pull the fucking hanger out, hang you up like drying clothes. Bitch ass niggas, I'll shoot you with the blindfold. Still a dome you quickly. Nigga leaving red marks on your motherfucking face. You would've thought it was a hickey. You niggas ain't ready with the shit that I be on, bro. I come around and I show up at your home, bro, with extended clips. Like I said it 3 times, so that mean I'm shooting you about 90 fucking times, cause it's 30 on each one. So what the fuck you mean? My niggas coming around and they does it. Y'all Ming again? How the fuck he go there? Okay, I say James Harden. Either way, a rocket's gonna come there. You bitch ass niggas is dumbfounded. I come around and let these niggas know how your ass to get found. You'll be gowned out. Matter of fact, you'll be bound, tied up with your mama's nursery gown, your tongue hanging out oozing, blood looking and spazzing. Niggas is mad, cause they ain't do they mathematics. He got shot in 7 days. On the first day, I sent a couple bullets. The motherfuckers was like, Ursher, come my way. On the third day, second day got skipped. Cause on the third day, I hit him 5 times and I was busting from my hip. And on the 6th day and the 5th day, I did the same shit. I had Damo and Vino with me and they let the shit flip. But on that 7th day, the worst day, God came back raptured. I came back and shot the nigga right after he got captured. Shot him about 10 times in 7 days. That's 1 week. Damn. How you kill that nigga 7 ways in 1 week? That was dope. Just bars, man.
Just bars, nigga.
Bars.